Good evening to you all. This is an extra lesson to book page 54. When you open the book on page 54, this block is what you see. And I made this video because maybe I realize that for me everything is clear. I can visualize everything, even the numbers in the back, but we will come to the numbers in another lesson. I don't want to make it more difficult than it maybe is for some of you. So this is what you see on page 54, and this is how I visualize the whole. And as I said in a previous video, the numbers, they refer to color. It's much more nice in my art to use color, of course. Color is what we like, what we see in flowers, and only art with numbers. So now you can see the red is the same as this block. The orange is the same as this one. And then we have the green. So when we built it back to how it was, this was the bottom one. You can see it in this line. And the second one was the orange. You can also check it here, shorter line. And then the red one. So now you can visualize the color on the number, or the number on the color, or whatever you like. Just dots, whatever you want to visualize. But I want to speak to you also about that the entanglement has its origin in the middle of a star. And of course, for me, this is the middle of the star. Also well explained in the book. So now we see that this is the green color. So we need this. I'm gonna swap it for these two. So we take another green. We see this one. This is also green. This is a shape I prepared, of course, and you see it in another video. So we're going to put the green one here because it was there. And then this is just loose, different block. I'm going to swap the green for the number. So now you can clearly see that the 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is where the entanglement starts, over the 3 blocks. But still we have 3 the same blocks. You see it here as well, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, but it's different than this one. This goes over 1 cube, and this one, the entanglement where it starts, goes over 3 whole cubes. Okay, I'm going to build it back. And of course I thought of Schrödinger's cat, to look what's inside the box. Well, we don't have to look inside when we can visualize what's inside by knowing the outside. So the red one, I can show it here. The red one is the cornerstone here. Maybe the top cornerstone would be that one. That's the farthest from us. And in the middle is the red one, of course. So this line of red cubes goes right through the middle, and we would see it up in the sky. So when that would be the angle, we would see underneath when we look to the stars. So now I take the numbered cube. I'll show you that the red one is in the middle. It should be this one, the 245781 block. I will open it. 24. I hope you believe me that the rest of the numbers is just like here. So now the entanglement, of course, is very close. It's more close than I can show you, but when we swap the whole one to this side, then we have a different box with a different cat in the middle. So underneath the 24 there will be a 87, and when we look at the 87, the 87 was an orange one. So underneath the 24 is an orange one. Maybe we can check it here just for fun. So what did we do? We swapped the whole row and created another cube. And as you can see, the corner one is an orange one, then the middle should be orange as well. So that's easy. So then we had the orange, and in the beginning we had the red. So we swap another row. As you see, the green in the front, the green in the middle, and of course the cornerstone, also green. When we do it one more time, we end in the original position. So red 24, orange would be 87, orange, and the last one will be green in the middle, 51. That's a green one. So one more to come. To the original position, and of course we can do it like this, whatever. And in my art I use for the back side of the cubes, I use the 9 combo. So I will show you what I mean. So when we open this one, we see a 4 and an 8. So when all numbers go to 9, to make it real nice and tight, everything sticks together, then the only way to make a 9 combo would be with a 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. So the back here should be a 5 and a 1. You see? I explained it in another video. And this would be a 7 and a 2. No other option. 7 and a 2 in the right position. Two in the top for the 7, 7 in the bottom for the 2. And of course, you see the 5 and the 1, it's the 8 and the 4. You see? 4 to the 5, 8 to the 1. Thanks for your attention.